Now we are done with prophase. We're about to move into the next stage of mitosis, which is metaphase. In metaphase, a couple things happen. First off, the centrioles, they were starting in prophase to move to opposite sides of the cell, and by the time they get to metaphase, they have completely moved to opposite sides of the cell, and the spindles have begun to develop a little bit further. Also, the chromosomes, they start to move to the center of the cell. They start to kind of line up like so. The spindles from opposite sides will attach to both, or I should say all of the chromosomes. In our cell, we would have 46 of these going on at once. And they do so at the spot where the sister chromatids attach, which would be right here and which would be right here. That location is known as the centromere. So this spindle will attach to the centromere from this side. This spindle will attach to the centromere from this side.